Mindful movement practice, deepening your mind-body awareness through movement. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can move freely without distraction. Wear comfortable clothing and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, and the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. As you begin to move, bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice the feeling of your feet on the ground, the movement of your arms and legs, and the way your body moves through space. Focus on the present moment, letting go of any thoughts or distractions. Bring your full attention to the movements of your body, and the sensations you experience as you move. As you continue to move, bring awareness to your breath. Notice the way your breath changes as you move, and use it as an anchor to keep your attention focused on the present moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to the present moment and your movements. Allow yourself to fully experience the present moment, and the way your body moves through space. Finally, as you come to the end of your practice, take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to come back to the present moment. Notice any changes in your body or mind, and take a moment to reflect on the experience. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.